So if you test today, you're going to be clean.
I am honestly hoping that it's out of my system.
Well, we all can have hope. If you test today, are you going to be clean? See, you're already on thin ice. Hang on.
I'm going to say no.
You're already on thin ice with me because you were about to lie. You were trying to lie to me.
This is Public Defender's Act, meaning with my behalf of Mr. James approaches.
You guys got to make sure to clear that way when transport's coming through, Mr. Levo.
Ms. James, can you state your name for the record?
Amanda James.
Thank you.
Your Honor, this is the intent set for a bond hearing. Ms. James, as you remember, as you recall last week, Ms. James was ordered to go to community corrections to test.
Make a statement to the court.
Yes. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, I did use 4 days ago. And when I was placed on probation yesterday, I was being honest with my probation officer and informed her that if this test does come back positive, it would be the only one.
So if you test today, you're going to be clean.
I am honestly hoping that it's out of my system.
Well, we all can have hope. If you test today, are you going to be clean? See, you're already on thin ice. Hang on.
I'm going to say no.
You're already on thin ice with me because you were about to lie. You were trying to lie to me. And so I'm going to ask you again. If you test today, are you going to be clean?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I think there will be traces.
Okay. So now you said it, but I want to make sure. When was the last time you used?
4 days ago.
4 days ago.
4 days ago.
All right. Tell you what, let's get it. We'll send you over, get a test. I'll pass it. Got to go over to community, right? Get a test.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Do you know where to go?
Yeah.
And if she doesn't come back, it's a bench warrant, no bond, but go ahead. All right, let's see. Who's next?
Call, but I did not get an answer.
You lost her?
Looks like.
And she did not test.
Your Honor, I received confirmation she did not check in.
It's unfortunate.
Go to community corrections to test. However, she does admit that she did not go straight there. She had to go home first. She went home to get the money to test, and then her mom wanted to stop at Burger King because she was hungry, so they stopped at Burger King. Then they did go to community corrections to test, but by that point, the no bond order was already in, so she was arrested from there.
Oh yeah, I remember. We didn't get a test, did we? It was positive, right? Yeah. Okay, so I told her to go to community corrections. She's here on campus. She left the building, and I remember her walking out. She said, "I'm going over." We sent another person slightly after her who got over there, tested, came back. We still hadn't heard from Miss James.
Ms. James indicated that her mom is here and does have the receipt of her going to community corrections the same day.
Oh yeah, I know, but it was like she was supposed to go there and come back.
Yeah. Ms. James indicated that she did not, at the time that she was here today, or last week, she did not have the money to test, so she had to go home first to get the money, and then had to go to Burger King.
Where does she live?
1282.
So in this county.
Yes.
So when does it 4 hours or
Your Honor,
hours to go home, come back,
3 hours.
and then do that? And I don't know where the Burger King comes in.
It was not 3 hours, Your Honor. I was gone 45 minutes.
Yeah.
I have my test.
Tell me that.
Lazy.
Because we called over.
She said she called you when I got there, and I sat for like.
I know. She did. But she did get over and test.
She did come. Yeah.
Yeah. Then she left.
I did.
Then she, what, Your Honor, I apologize.
Then she left. She didn't come back over.
They arrested me there.
Yeah, I know. Why? Because we had
Said you put
warrant.
the warrant out. Yeah.
Yeah. And she tested positive for cocaine.
As I said, I possibly would. That was why you said. That's why you said.
That is not what she said.
Your Honor, I told my probation officer that there.
Oh my,
You recall?
not what she said. Toby.
Your
Your Honor, I'm not talking. I'm turning around like that. I'm done. I'm done. Her bond remains denied. How much time do you want to put it over? I'm not playing games. I am not playing.
I apologize.
Think I am. If you're going to turn around and start smiling and doing all that, this is not a game.
I was just
Bond denied. I'll set it over to July 2nd. Keep talking.
All right. State your name for the record, please.
Xavier Bonner. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'd like to ask that the PCC be set over to the 9th. I also understand there's a probation violation because he didn't get tested. I've talked to him.
It's not only that he didn't get tested, he didn't even report. I wasn't aware.
I don't know that Mr. Amadeo was his attorney at that time, Your Honor. I have made sure that his mother is here with him today, and I'd like to adjourn the violation over to the 9th. I've made very clear to him that he's got to report this morning.
When he was arraigned, he was told to go over.
Well, I was not present. I'm just indicating to the court that I've told him very emphatically his mother is here. He's going this morning.
Okay, is he saying he didn't know? Is that what he's representing to the court? Because he needs to be careful if that's what he's representing.
I don't understand.
Oh, I did.
Tell the judge.
I didn't understand. Prepare new orders. Is he working? What are you doing when you're out?
I work at McDonald's.
How long have you worked there?
For like 5 months.
He lives with his mother and I believe his sister, Your Honor, and they're both here in the courtroom. His mother's here in the courtroom with him.
We'll prepare a new order for community corrections. You need to go over there before you leave this complex. You understand that?
Understand.
And so I want that order and an order for a GPS tracking location tether. And then I will adjourn this to July 9th, 2026, 9 a.m.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear when, Your Honor.
The 9th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
9 a.m. Bond continued with those added.